Okay, we'll do one more today. Advance payments of vendor. Advance payments of vendor. What is advance payment? Anybody?
The payment makes in advance.
Okay. Where do you make advance payments in your life? Where all do you make advance payments? Alekya, read.
Advance payments to vendor in SAP FICO. An advance payment to vendor means that's the company pays the vendor before receiving the goods or services.
Stop, stop,
It is also
stop,
called vendor down
stop,
payment.
stop. An advance payment to a vendor means the company pays the vendor before receiving the goods or services. Yes or no? Yes, no. Before only you are making the payment, before you receive the goods or services. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Indumati, read.
It is also called vendor down payment, advanced vendor, special GL transaction.
Okay. Okay. It is also called vendor down payment, advance to vendor, special GL transaction. Where do you make down payments usually? Can anybody tell me? Down payments हम कब करते हैं? Where do you usually make down payments?
I mean, if we buy any house
Okay, very good.
or any car, like we make a down payment.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Correct. Yes, got the concept, no? Advance payment का concept. Everybody got the concept?
Ye-
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let me go here. Choose advance payments. Yes. Okay. So whenever you make the payments for vendors, where do they go? Which account do they go? If you want to see all the, let's say 1000 vendors and how much we have to make the payment, where will we see that? We will see that in the reconciliation account. Yes or no? At accounts payable reconciliation account.
Yes.
Yes, no? We did the topic. Remember why we created the reconciliation account? Let's say we have a list of 10 vendors and we want to see all the payments that need to be. We cannot make a separate account for each vendor. So we made a recon account. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Now, your usually vendor, all the payments are going into the reconciliation account. I'll show you quickly. If you see your, let's say this is KR, let me click on this document and let me click here. Okay, let me display currency, general ledger view. Okay, recon account, this one. Yes. Can you see? The GL account is the recon account. Yes or no? Vendor is Shravya 4200 and this is the reconciliation account. Yes, no? 20000 is the reconciliation account. Clear everyone?
Yes.
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 Now, so will advance payment also go into the same GL? Advance payment also will go into the same GL or we have to create another GL for advance payment? Advance payment will go in the same GL or we have to create another one?
Another one.
Correct. We have to create another one. Let's go. What is the T code to create a GL?
FS00.
Correct. Let's go. FS00. No. SN1, right? Now, will it be assets, equity, expense, liability, or other accounts or revenue? What will advance payment be? Tell me. Advance payment GL will come where? Anyone?
SS.
Okay, we are paying something. We are paying advance payment. Vendor is paying. So where will it go? Let's say you are the vendor. I am the vendor. Okay. I am handling the account. I am the vendor and I'm paying something. Where will it go? Which account?
Expense.
Okay. Anyone else? I'm paying something. Anybody? Okay. So let's say I'm paying something and it is a down payment. It is an advance payment. But I am receiving some goods in that. Yes or no? I am receiving some goods because of the payment, that is asset. Okay. It will always come under asset account. Yes. So the next number in asset is 10002. Enter. Balance sheet. Account group assets. Advance payment. AP. Advance payment. AP for SAN1. Yes. Go to control data. INR. And this is for vendors. Yes or no? This is for vendors. Advance payment of vendors. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So click on vendors. Go to create bank interest. And let's go. I think it is G067. Let me check. G0, yes, reconciliation account. G067. Select and then save. So we have an advance payment GL now. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
And we have a reconciliation account also. If you see here, we have a reconciliation account also. Advance payment is this for accounts payable, and reconciliation account for accounts payable is this. Yes, both are for accounts payable, but reconciliation accounts is for the vendor payments what we have to pay, and this is advance payment. Yes, what we have paid. So there are two different GLs. Okay. So now after this, we'll go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG. We'll go to financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts payable, business transactions. Will we select down payment made or down payment received? What will we select? Which one should we select?
Down payment made.
Correct. Down payment made. Very good. Then we'll go to define alternative reconciliation account for down payments. This one. Second one. Select this. Yes. Now we have to create a special GL indicate. Create. Now account type K, special GL account J. Name advance payment, enter. What does it say below?
Already exist.
Already exists. So J already exists. If you see your advance payment, can you see advance payment? J already exists. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And K is for vendors. Okay. What is this advance payment special GL indicator? This is a special GL indicator. What is it? What is a special GL indicator? J in advance payment. Shravya, read. Okay, Shravya is not there today. Okay, Pragati, read.
In SAP, special GL indicator J is not a standard SAP indicator for normal vendor down payments. For advance payment, the standard SAP indicators are usually A for down payment, F for down payment request. J depends upon the company's configuration. It is usually custom.
Wait, so we are using J, okay? This, see, the special GL indicator, I have asked them What is a special GL indicator? They are not explaining that. Okay. Yes. Now read this again, Pragati.
So what does the indicator J mean? If you see special GL indicator J in your system while processing the advance payment, it means your company has configured J as a custom special GL indicator.
Okay.
SAP allows Hmm.
Wait. So if you see special GL indicator J in your system while processing advance payments, it means your company has configured J as a custom special GL indicator. Yes. SAP. Kartiki, can you read?
SAP allows organizations to define their own indicators and assign alternative reconciliation accounts, posting characteristics, down payment categories. You can check exactly what I response in your system.
Okay. SAP allows organizations to define their own indicators and assign alternative reconciliation accounts, posting characteristic, down payment categories. Okay. Now, how to check what J means? Just explain what was a special GL. Okay. Yes. Prasanna, read.
What is a special GL indicator in SAP FICO? A special GL indicator is a code used by SAP to identify transactions that are different from normal accounts receivable and accounts payable transactions.
Okay.
These transactions need to be tracked separately from normal customer and vendor balances.
So special GL indicator is a code used by SAP to identify transactions that are different than normal accounts receivable and accounts payable transactions. So we already have a reconciliation account for accounts payable. Yes, but a special GL indicator code is used by SAP to identify transactions that are different. It is an advance payment, right? That is why we need a special GL indicator. Clear? Yes, no? Why do we need it? Ashutosh, read.
Suppose you pay a vendor an advance of 1 lakh. If SAP ports it to the normal vendor reconciliation account, it will look like a normal liability. But in reality, you do not owe the vendor money anymore. You have already paid the vendor in advance. So SAP uses special GL indicator to post to a different reconciliation account and display it separately.
Clear, everyone? We It should not look like a normal liability. Yes or no? It is an advance payment. Yes or no? That is why we need to create another GL of advance payment. Yes or no, everyone? Clear? Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I will send you one more link, everyone. Please join that. Okay?